Welcome to South by.
Hi, I'm Betty Gilpin. Okay, who would I take with me from the cast to find the Holy Grail? I would take Chris Diamantopoulos, who plays JQ, because that man has a Daniel Day-Lewis level commitment to everything in his life and every role he plays. We would just find it. We would find it within an hour, and then we could just hang out all day, which would be great with Chris because he's incredible.
I'm Damon Lindelof. I'm one of the co-creators of Mrs. Davis, one of the writers, and who would I take on a quest to go find the Holy Grail? Well, Simone's the obvious choice. She's a nun, she's qualified, but I'm going to take Andy McQueen, who plays Jay on the show for reasons that will become very obvious. He, I think, is the most equipped to help locate the Holy Grail. That's what I would say.
Hey, what's up? I'm Jake McDormand. I'm here for South by Southwest. Mrs. Davis, you should watch it. It's really good. I'm Jake McDormand from Mrs. Davis. I've been asked who I would take on a quest to seek the Holy Grail from our cast. I have quite a bit of experience doing this with Betty Gilpin. I would be hard-pressed to... I'm sorry. All right, never mind. I wouldn't take Betty. Maybe Beth Marvel. Beth Marvel's amazing. Just her outfits alone would be justification for taking her on a quest on this show. But she's also just the best. I don't know. Our cast is awesome. They can all come.
Hi, my name is Tara Hernandez. I'm the showrunner, co-creator of Mrs. Davis. And if I had to pick one cast member to take on a quest to find the Holy Grail, I think I would take Chris Diamantopoulos, because it's going to be a good time.
All right, hey, I'm Andy McQueen, and on this adventure, search for the Grail, I would take Jake, because it's cool.